Blessed are the young, for they shall inherit the national debt. Freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of the human spirit and human dignity. The business of America is business. When there is a lack of honor in government, the morals of the whole people are poisoned. Older men declare war, but it is youth that must fight and die. The durability of free speech and free press rests on the simple concept that it search for the truth and tell the truth. Words without actions are the assassins of idealism. Competition is not only the basis of protection to the consumer, but is the incentive to progress. We can't legislate intelligence and common sense into people. Economic depression cannot be cured by legislative action or executive pronouncement. The only trouble with capitalism is capitalists, they're too damn greedy. Prosperity cannot be restored by raids upon the public treasury. The course of unbalanced budgets is the road to ruin. Honest work, persistent effort, and wise decisions are the tools of progress. Being a politician is a poor profession. Being a public servant is a noble one. We are in danger of developing a cult of the common man, which means a cult of mediocrity. No public man can be just a little crooked. A good many things go around in the dark beside Santa Claus. Every collectivist revolution rides in on a Trojan horse of emergency. This is not a showman's job. I will not step out of character. True American liberalism is to protect the weak against the strong. No greater nor more destructive evil could ever befall us than to transform our children into government wards. Children are our greatest natural resource. My country owes me nothing. It gave me, as it gives every boy and girl, a chance. The idealism of America was and still is based upon an individual's right to freedom. The worst evil of disregard for some law is that it destroys respect for all law. It is just as important that business keep out of government as that government keep out of business. A voluntary deed is infinitely more precious to the social economy than 1,000 acts of coercion. A nation is strong or weak, it thrives or perishes upon what it believes to be true.